Good morning. Again, the video is related with the file handling chapter of our syllabus. Just keep in mind, student, it is a 8 to 10 marks chapter and lot of MCQs are there in the question paper from this chapter. Program creation questions are also coming from this particular chapter. So here, today we are going to start an entire new section of file handling in Python. This section is related with text file operation. As you can see, it is there on the board. Text file operation. Text file means what? The file that is having extension .txt. The file that contains data in ASCII or Unicode format. Right? So here we are going to conduct three different type of operations on each and every file. Either it may be a text file, or it may be a binary file, or it may be a CSV file. The first one, how to read the data that is there inside the file. It is known as read operation. How to write our program's data into the file so that we can use the data in future. It is known as write operation. And the third one, how to append a file, or we can say how to insert new data in a previously created file that contains some previous record. So it is known as append mode. Three different modes are there, but very first we should know that how we can link the text file with our Python program. As you can see, a diagram is there on the board, and it is the diagram we discussed the diagram already in the previous video lecture. Now according to this diagram, suppose one file is there in the hard disk. It is your hard disk connected with RAM. It is your location, you are on Python. It is also connected with RAM. File is here in hard disk, you are here on the Python platform. Now in between you and hard disk, one RAM is there. It is a hardware component of your computer. It is there in between you and your hard disk. Right? Now a file is there inside the hard disk, and how you can link the file with your Python program. For that, the first content is how to link file with file object. Suppose file is here in the hard disk, and if you want to upload the file in your computer's memory, then you have to create one file variable, or we can say file handle, or the third name is file object. You first of all you should create a file object inside the computer's memory, and then you just link, just download, just upload the file from your hard disk to the RAM. Right? It is the very first process. For that, what is the command? Right? Just see what is the command. Very first work. You have to link your file with RAM. Then and then only your Python program can access the data that is there inside the file. Right? So, how to link file with file object? For that, the command is very first. Just create a file variable with any name. Here I wrote PQ. PQ is there, PS. You can give any name according to your style, but this name should follow identifier naming rule. What is the identifier naming rule? You can give any name to the variable, but the first letter of the variable, it should be either alphabet, capital or small, no problem, either alphabet or underscore, right? Digits are not allowed at the first position. Special symbols are not allowed at any position in the variable name other than the underscore. Your variable name should not as similar as the command keyword of Python. Right? Clear? So here PQ, it is a valid name. Just see the first letter. It is an alphabet. Right? No problem. Then no special symbol. Clear? PQ is not related with any Python command. So PQ is a valid name. I just create a variable with name PQ. Now with this variable I use this open. It is a library function of Python. Open, and then here one small bracket, open should be in a small letter, then the small bracket, and here I am going to write write the file name abc.txt. File name you can enter either in capital letter or in small letter. It's on you only, right? There is no case sensitivity while you write the file name. So your file name should be there inside either single inverted comma or double inverted comma with this open function. Clear? Now you just put one comma after writing the file name. Just see, it is the file name and close with double inverted comma. Then one comma is here. Then I am going to write one code. Just see what is this code. It is R with this double inverted comma. It is the command by which you can link, you can load the abc.txt file that is there in your hard disk. This is the abc file, abc.txt. By this command, when computer execute this command, computer is going to copy the file content into the RAM variable, that is PQ. This is created at here. The whole variable, it is known as PQ. Right? And in this PQ file object, content of the ABC file, computer is going to upload the content of the ABC file into this variable. Right? So here it is the command by which you can link the file with your file object. Just remember, file is there inside the hard disk. File object is there inside the computer's memory. Right? File is there inside the object, so you can access the file directly by using your Python software. Clear? Any doubt? Right. Now the next thing is, what is this open command? Open is a default library function, just like print function, just like input function. It is there in your Python base library. With this open function, we just use two different things. The first part of this open function, here you give file name, a file that you want to open in your Python program. And here, in the second part, this one, it is the file mode. What is file mode? R. In the previous video, just remember the previous video lecture, R stands for read mode, W stands for write mode, A stands for append mode. So here it is the file mode. Right? Yeah, it is optional. Optional means if you remove this file mode from here, suppose I am going to remove this file mode, and with this open function, I just close the bracket at here. It is also correct. There is no error in that. If you are not going to supply the file mode with your open function, by default, computer activate the read file mode automatically. Clear? If you are not going to supply the file mode, automatically the file is in the read mode. Read mode means you can read the data only, you cannot write, you cannot modify, you cannot update, you cannot delete the previous data that is already there inside the file. Clear? You can read the data only, I am telling you. Right? Now, suppose you want to open the file with writing purpose. For writing purpose means you want to write something in the file, then you just use W mode with this open function. W means write. Yes, it is there with this quotation mark, double inverted comma. Right? Now what is there? W. W means the file opened in the write mode. You can write something inside the file. Here also you cannot read the data. You just write the data only. Clear? Now some limitations are here with this file mode. Now if you want to open the file in append mode, just write a small a over here. It is the append mode. Append mode means the previous data, your new data is going to insert with the previous data in the same previously created file. Clear? Now, it is the command by which we can link our file with this file object, with this file handle. Right? Now, the second portion, what is this one here? Just see this one. Relative path and absolute path. What is this one? Relative path and absolute path. Just see. If I write this command abc.txt and w means write mode, means I want to write something, I want to write my Python data, my Python program data into the abc file. For that, I open the file with write mode. राइट. नाउ फाइल तो क्रिएट होगी. योर पाइथन प्रोग्राम डेटा इज गोइंग टू स्टोर इनसाइड द फाइल. अपन पूरा प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे, पूरा जो भी पाइथन में आपका सॉफ्टवेयर का डेटा है वो इस फाइल में जाके स्टोर हो जाएगा. अब बात ये, वेयर यू फाइंड दिस abc.txt, मिलेगी कहां? डाटा तो गया फाइल में, राइट. Some statements are also there with this program. With these statements, you can write the data in your file. But what is the actual storage location of this file? Where you find this abc.txt file so that you can access the data what is there inside the file. This file is created in the Python folder. Just check out your Python folder, your Python root folder. Right, root means where your Python is installed in your PC. Generally, Python install in the users directory, user. Then here Python folder is there. Inside the Python root folder, you can find this abc.txt file. Right. Now, if you want to read a file and you are going to write the name of the file for reading purpose. File should be in your Python root folder, then and then only you can read the file, otherwise not by using this command, right? When you write file name directly with the command, computer search that the file is there in the Python root folder or not. If file is not there in the Python root folder, it is anywhere, either on the desktop, either on the D drive, either on the pen drive, ये file open नहीं होगी. समझ में आ रहा है? By default, if you create the text file operation program, by default your file should be there in the Python folder. Either you want to read the file, or you want to write something in the file, or you want to append the file. File should be there with the Python root folder. Right? Now, what is the second condition? The second condition is file is not there in the Python root folder. File कहीं और पड़ी है, तो क्या वो file open नहीं होगी? Yes, open होगी, but for that you have to supply the absolute path of the file. What is the exact location of the file? You have to write the exact location over here, right? The exact location, absolute location of the file, it is known as absolute path. If you are going to write the file name only without any location, without any path, it is known as relative path. In this relative path condition, file should be there in the Python root folder. Now suppose my file abc.txt, it is there. कहाँ पे है देखो, D drive. D drive के अंदर एक folder है student folder के अंदर फिर एक folder है 12 science. यहाँ पे मेरी फाइल पड़ी है abc.txt, राइट. फाइल है यहाँ D drive है स्टूडेंट फोल्डर के अंदर आप जाते हो 12 साइंस फोल्डर. इनसाइड द 12 साइंस फोल्डर यू कैन फाइंड दिस abc.txt फाइल, राइट. सो द फाइल इज नॉट देयर इन द पाइथन रूट फोल्डर. फिर भी आपको ओपन करनी है इसको, तो देयर आर टू वेज. First way, either you just copy the file from this location and paste the file into your Python's root directory. It is the very first option, copy and paste. वहाँ paste करोगे, abc.txt command चलाओगे तो root folder में file आ गई. You can access, your program can access that file easily. Now the second means आपको copy paste नहीं करना. आपको Python को ही बोलना है भाई इस location पे जा and access the file from that location. For that you should give the exact location of your file. अभी location क्या होती है देखो, कहाँ से पता चलेगी ये location? आप जिस फाइल को ओपन करना चाह रहे हो, just right click on that file and go to the properties page. Right click करोगे, one menu is there on the screen. Just go to the properties part of that menu. Here in this property you can find the path of your file where your file is stored. Manually, if you want to know, then the file location देखो कैसे निकालते हैं. D drive means just write the drive letter with this colon sign. D colon, it means D drive. C colon, it means C drive. Now the folder is student. Just put one slash over here. D colon slash. Now write this folder name. It is student. Clear? Again inside the student, inside means again you have to put this backslash symbol. One more folder, 12 science, just write this 12 SCI science. Inside this 12 science means you want to go inside the 12 science folder, just again write this one backslash, and then here your file, so abc.txt, it is the absolute path of your file. You can change this part with that part, right? This is the absolute path of your file, this is the relative path of your file, right? 1 mark weightage is there with this concept, with this relative path and absolute path. Either theory question may be there in the question paper, or this type of application based question can be there in the question paper, right? अब एक और चेक करते हैं. Now suppose आपको ये बोला गया, write the open command to open a file where the absolute path, the file path is created in the A drive in PQR folder, and inside the PQR one more XYZ folder is there, inside the XYZ www folder is there, and here with this www folder the file student.txt is there. एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन आएगा एमसीक्यू, इट इज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. आपको बोला गया सिर्फ ये कमांड लिखो, राइट द ओपन स्टेटमेंट और हाउ टू लिंक दिस फाइल इन योर पाइथन प्रोग्राम. जस्ट सी द लोकेशन, ड्राइव इज D, इन दिस ड्राइव PQR folder is there. When you enter in the PQR folder you find XYZ folder, then again you find www folder. Here it is your file location. File is there in this www folder. Now, what is the exact file open command? Just see, pq, it is the file variable, file object equal to open. Clear? With this open, just put double inverted, or the first thing मैं पहले ये बताता हूँ what is the file location, फिर उसको अपन बात करते हैं open में कैसे डालेंगे, right? So here, what is the exact file location? File location is E :/, it is for E drive, then the folder is PQR, here it is PQR, then slash XYZ, then slash www, then slash, here it is your file, the file name is student.txt. it is the absolute path of your file. Now if you want to write the same thing at here, थोड़ा सा आपको चेंज करना है, a little bit change is required. Now मैं पूरी कमांड लिखता हूँ, देखो पूरी कमांड क्या है, pq equal to open here with this E 2 स्लैश, जहां भी सिंगल स्लैश है आपको उसको डबल स्लैश में कन्वर्ट करना है व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द फाइल एब्सोल्यूट पाथ विद द ओपन कमांड. 2 बार स्लैश में कन्वर्ट करना है, डबल स्लैश, देन PQR, देन अगेन डबल स्लैश XYZ, देन अगेन डबल स्लैश www, then double slash, here the file name it is student.txt. Just see this part, and then just write the file mode, in which mode you want to open the file. Just see the command. एक नंबर का क्वेश्चन MCQ, there is a possibility of 1 mark MCQ, application based MCQ from this topic, right? So it is known as absolute path of the file. It is not a case sensitive. You can write this drive and all these things either in capital letter or in a small letter. Clear? So I hope that topic is clear in your mind. Just see how to find out the proper path of your file. Path अपने निकाला, then जहाँ स्लैश है उसको डबल स्लैश में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, राइट? अच्छा, अब कोई बोले नहीं जी ये तो मुझे दुख दे रहा है डबल स्लैश में कन्वर्ट करना, तो आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. जस्ट सी PQ equal to open, यहाँ पे आपको एक स्मॉल r लगाना है. कहाँ? इस पोजीशन में स्मॉल r means the coming string is known as raw string. raw string के लिए ये स्मॉल r यूज करते हैं. अब आप जो भी फाइल का एड्रेस है सिंगल स्लैश से भी लिख सकते हो. जस्ट सी PQR/XYZ/www, then /student.txt, this one, then here the second portion is w, close this one. Just see If you write R stands for raw string, then you can write the absolute path of your file according to the exact path. Exact भी यही है, वही कोई उठा के लिख दिया. अगर आप raw string नहीं बनाते हो, then you should convert this single slash into double slash. Just see this one, right? So it is the file open command. By this command you can link your Python file, you can link your data file, text file with the Python program, right? Now come out to the third topic of today's video lecture. अभी तो हमने सिर्फ फाइल ओपन करना सीखा है, हाउ टू ओपन द फाइल. अभी प्रोसेसिंग, रीडिंग, राइटिंग कुछ नहीं सीखा है, जस्ट वन कमांड. नाउ कम हियर, डिफरेंट फाइल मोड्स, इसके बारे में और कुछ देखना है. डिफरेंट फाइल मोड्स कौन कौन से होते हैं? वेरी फर्स्ट, द फर्स्ट मोड इज आर स्टैंड फॉर रीड मोड, राइट? अब इसके बारे में समझो. रीड मोड, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू ओपन अ फाइल इन रीड मोड, file should be there in that particular location. If file is not there, then computer raise an error, file open error raise होगा अगर file नहीं होगी तो. Clear? And here the restriction is you have to read the file content only. You cannot write, you cannot modify, you cannot update, you cannot delete. Clear? Now what is the second mode? Second one is W. W stands for small letter. R in small, W in small. W stand for write mode. अब इसमें समझो कई चीजें. Write mode means what? भाई, I am going to write my program data into the file. Means what? File, I want to create a file, create a new file with my program data. Right? Now what will happen? अब भाई मैं कोई मेरे प्रोग्राम का डाटा है, मैं pqr.txt कोई फाइल है, pqr.txt. I want to store my program data into this pqr.txt file. अब क्या होगा? If pqr.txt file is already created, already available in that folder, हो सकता है pqr.txt file is already available, already created in this folder, और आपने इसी फाइल को राइट मोड में ओपन कर लिया. What will happen? Your computer is going to remove the previous data that is there inside the file, blank the file, and then allow you to enter new data in the pqr.txt file. अगर फाइल पहले से बनी हुई है, computer going to delete all the data that is there inside the file, and then file is blank, file is vacant, then computer is going to insert your data in the file. समझ में आ रहा है? राइट मोड. अगर फाइल नहीं है तो फिर तो प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, कंप्यूटर सीधा pqr.txt फाइल बना देगा, एंड द डेटा दैट इज देयर इनसाइड योर सॉफ्टवेयर, कंप्यूटर इज गोइंग टू स्टोर द डेटा इन दैट फाइल. सिंपल, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है? नाउ व्हाट इज देयर? अच्छा, अभी ये देखो, मैंने एक प्रोग्राम बनाया. एट द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने उस प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट किया, राइट? My software data, I have collected all the data of my software, and then I am going to save the data in this pqr.txt file. वो मैंने कर दिया, प्रोग्राम बना के कर दिया. दूसरी बार जब मैं वापस कोई प्रोग्राम चलाऊंगा, फाइल तो क्या है? pqr.txt, वही राइट मोड में ओपन होगी. It means what? The previous data that is there is stored in the file. Computer is going to wipe out the data and then store the new data. Clear? अब ये तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई. Suppose I created a software for a restaurant. In this software, per day customer records are kept in a file, right? आज जितने कस्टमर आए, the data of today's customer are stored in that file. प्रोग्राम बंद, रात हो गई, रेस्टोरेंट बंद, प्रोग्राम बंद. कल मैंने वापस रेस्टोरेंट शुरू किया, प्रोग्राम शुरू किया. अब वापस से मेरे को डाटा, आज के कस्टमर का डाटा डालना है, तो हो क्या रहा है? अगर मैं राइट मोड में एक्सेस करता हूँ, वर्क करता हूँ, द डेटा दैट इज स्टोर्ड इन द प्रीवियस डे, कंप्यूटर उसको वाइप आउट करता जा रहा है इस राइट मोड के अंदर. तो कौन सा मोड यूज करें? फॉर दैट ए मींस अपेंड मोड इज देयर. जस्ट सी व्हाट इज देयर इन अपेंड मोड. A for append mode. Append mode means what? Suppose I access a file xyz.txt with this append mode. Append mode means what? If the the file is not there in the same folder, computer is going to create a new file. If file is already there with previous data of my software, then computer open the same file with the data, no data deletion is there. By a file XYZ 50 records are there already, and I open this file in the append mode. These 50 records are there unaffected in the file, and my today's 10 records, आज के जो मेरे 10 customer आए, I am going to store the data of these 10 customer just after the 50 records. तो अभी कितने हो गए? 60 हो गए. Actually, the software developer use this append mode. Write mode को use नहीं करता है, बहुत rarely use करेंगे. Everywhere this append mode is there. Append mode means previous data is saved and you are going to insert new data just at the bottom of the previous data. Right? It is the append mode. So, append mode. If the file is not there, computer will create a file. If this xyz.txt file is there already in the folder, computer access the same file and store the new data just after the previous data in the same file only. Clear? So these three modes are there. Other than these three, some or more modes are there. R plus, W plus, A plus. R plus means read and write. W plus means write plus read, means you can write the file, you can write the data in the file as well as you can read the data of the file. It is write plus read. Then A plus, append plus read. Here, these 6 modes are there that are related with the text file operation. Clear? So these 3 points are there only in this video lecture. Very soon I am going to post a practical video so that you can identify properly how we can store the data in the file. Okay, thank you very much.